In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create tasks in Todoist quickly and efficiently. Todoist is a fantastic tool for managing your daily tasks and improving your productivity. Whether you're new to Todoist or just looking for a quick refresher, these steps will guide you through the process with ease. First things first, open your preferred web browser and type in the URL apptodoist.com login to access the Todoist login page. Once you're there, you'll need to enter your credentials. You can do this by typing in your email address into the designated field, ensuring it's the one you've registered with Todoist. Once the email is correctly entered, proceed to type in your password. Now, if remembering passwords isn't your thing, don't worry. Todoist offers a convenient alternative. You can log in using existing Google, Facebook, or Apple accounts. Simply click on Continue with Google, Continue with Facebook, or Continue with Apple to proceed. These options are particularly helpful if you prefer to manage fewer passwords or want to streamline your login process. With the login process complete, you're now ready to create a new task. Look for the Add Task button. It typically appears as a plus sign and is usually located prominently on your Todoist homepage or project view. Clicking this button will open the task composer where all the magic happens. Next, enter the name of your task into the provided field. Be specific with your task titles to make them easy to understand at a glance. A clear task name helps you stay organized and focused on what you need to do. Now let's look at some additional details you can add to your tasks to make them even more effective for managing your workflow. You have the option to specify when the task needs to be completed by setting a due date. Adding a due date is crucial for time-sensitive tasks. It helps ensure that nothing important slips through the cracks. Furthermore, setting a priority level for your task can be highly beneficial. Todoist allows you to prioritize tasks so that you can tackle your workload based on urgency and importance, helping you stay on top of everything efficiently. Lastly, consider adding labels for further categorization. Labels provide a way to group tasks across different projects based on certain characteristics or contexts. For example, you might use labels like urgent, work, or personal. They enhance the flexibility of your task management, allowing you to filter and view tasks from various angles. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to creating tasks in Todoist. By following these steps, you can maximize your productivity and ensure you're staying organized. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to check out Todoist's help resources or let us know in the comments below. Happy tasking!